This is Michael Hartzell.
Hi.
He's a healer that comes to our studio every month, and he's going to do a workshop all about healing the heart. So tell us about your workshop, Michael.
Okay, Raj has been asking me for 2 years to put a date down. Finally, Sarah's got me pinned to the wall, and I've given her a date.
Yes.
So the workshop will entail some grounding exercises, some breathing, some basically exercises to open your heart.
Mm-hmm.
You know, I'm a heart healer. All my energy comes from the heart. And it's just some exercises to help you to open your hearts and to love yourselves. We might be doing a little bit of sound work. It all depends on Elizabeth. But anyway, look forward to seeing you all.
Great.
And take care.